This is your sign to make these delicious Rajma Kebab sliders with this incredible cheese pull. For our kebabs, we will blend in rajma, ginger, garlic and green chili into a paste. Saute some onions and add in grated beets. Then in goes our boiled potatoes for some body, followed by a rajma mixture and some corn. Mix this together and finish it off with some spices, soy sauce for depth, oregano and cilantro. In goes a squeeze of lemon for the brightness and breadcrumbs to bind it all together. Give this a final mix and our filling is ready. Pan fry these in some oil or ghee until nice and golden brown, and it's time to assemble our sliders. On one side of the buns, spread some cilantro mint chutney. Then we will sprinkle on a generous layer of cheese. I have used mozzarella, but any melty cheese works great. Then we will go in with some thinly sliced veggies like onion, peppers, cabbage and carrots. Top each bun with our rajma kebabs and finish off with some more cheese and veggies. On other bun, spread some sriracha mayo and gently place on top of our sliders. Poke some hole on top of the buns and brush them off with some herbed garlic butter for that incredible flavor to infuse throughout. Cover it and bake it for 20 minutes until golden brown. Top it off with a drizzle of avocado crema and strawberry salsa, and these are truly so good. Just look at that incredible cheese pull. You all will definitely love it. Head over to my blog for more detailed recipe and enjoy.